Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel Forever Magnifico, and welcome to another vlog. So yeah, this is another vlog. You have already read the title. It's my Ikea vlog. It's such a long postponed trip. I wanted to visit Ikea for such a long time, looking after so many people vlogging about it and putting reels about it. I just wanted to go and check as well. So yeah, that's the day. This is the day I am finally going to Ikea, and I just thought ki let's vlog for my viewers and subscribers. So yeah, that is it. I'm getting ready. I just had my bath. I've just put clothes. I'll just show you my OOTD later. For now, I'm just applying a nice sunscreen because it's my entire day out today, and till evening we are planning to have till evening we are planning to spend time in Ikea, and then later we are going for a Marathi play. So yeah, it's the entire Sunday outing. We were actually about to leave around 9:30ish because from here the place is just 40 minutes away from my place. I'm by the way going to Ikea Vashi, Nerul. Yeah, that side. Though that Ikea, not the Worli one. So this is like closest to me comparatively, and it's Sunday, so hoping for less traffic and all. So let's see. We were about to leave an hour ago, but it's already late and delayed. So yeah, I'll just quickly get into it. Bye. Hello, I am ready, and that's my OOTD. I'm wearing this black loose oversized t-shirt. This is from Zara, and I got it in sale for around 390 rupees. And then I'm wearing this nice whole Bermuda shorts. This is in the similar range, 350, 390, but they are from the local store. And I've added some nice cute jewelry. There are earrings from Lokhandwala market. Then these are the two pendants that I'm wearing. This is one Evil Eye from Kulava market, and this beautiful piece, I'm not sure the camera is, yeah, this beautiful piece is from Sadhgi. The brand sent me, and I really love the pieces that they have sent me. Because I have made a styling video, a reel on Instagram. You can check it out. I'll link the my Instagram handle here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'm carrying this torch. This is from H&M, and I'll add sliders. So that's it. Let's go. We have reached Ikea, guys. Such cute sofas here. There's a research going on. Haro check. घरच्या उशा तर कधी ठेवत नाही अशा चापतात बघा घरच्या कुशन कुठच्या कोपऱ्यात असतात रो.
42. तुझ्या व्ह्युअर्सला सांग प्राइस खूप आहे.
बोलली मी त्यांना रो इज फाइंडिंग दिस प्लेस व्हेरी ओव्हर प्राइस्ड. ही सेज नो फर्निचर शॉपिंग हिअर.
म्हणजे आपण इंटिरियर केलं असेल तर कॉस्ट वुड बी डबल.
हे कुशन पण छान आहेत रो.
हो.
तू शाळा तुला घरचे करायला लावते थांब मी. या
हा फक्त पुस्तकाचा सेक्शन 72 आहे.
but it's posh yeah. First item going into my cart. This is a cute sit out. Pizza for 59 bucks each. This is all pastel setup.
Good. ठीक आहे.
This is so pretty. Oh, you're chilling and discussing, giving our thoughts.
Good. त्याच्या आयडियाज खूप छान आहेत.
Yeah.
This is हे खूप छान. पण आता याची 72,000 72,000.
Oh, this vanity thing. Hi, kitty. He's into his old world. So cute. We're grabbing some lunch now. Oh, hungry. So much walking here. I hope I'm audible.
असं तर आपल्याला युरोपमध्ये पण नव्हतं.
Right. This is level 1 wherein you can now purchase the products that you like. So here everything is like kitchenware. I've added few kitchenware in my cart. Containers. Oh, my battery is running low. I didn't carry an extra battery. Stupid of me. It's almost done. I'm just checking if I can find anything. Nothing on my list as such, but yeah. Glasses.
ग्लास घेतले ना.
Colorful. I took white. White looks better, no?
हे घेतले ना.
White घेतलं.
अजून आहेत ना वरती.
Oh, how cute है. These are cute. And it's done. We're almost checking out. We'll do the billing now. And it's done. My battery is dying. I can't really shoot much now.
Oh dude,
So-
shoot this.
I've already shot
These are
that.
basically what they car.
Car.
So guys, these are basically, when you go at the L2, there are some heavy items like chairs, furnitures, your kitchen set, your hall set, which are there, which are not displayed at the L1 section. So you have to take a click of that item description, like racks, etc. And then when you come down, these are all the racks. So you need to show them what were the items, and then this is how, if you want to buy it, then this is how they are stacked up and this is how they are dispatched. So this is basically their warehouse sections for all the heavy items which you cannot see in L1, which are only displayed at L2.
Thank you so much, bro. Thank you. So yeah, guys. Yeah.
Sofa.
Ha.
These are all those.
म्हणून ते it's that huge.
Exactly, they serve.
So the final furniture shopping, if you pick any furniture, so this is the area that you pick it, and then that's the end. Now we are going to the billing counter, and then we'll head to our next plan of the day. That is, we are going to watch a Marathi play. So now this is it for Ikea, guys. This is it. We loved it. The food here is pretty much reasonable, and it's amazing taste wise as well. So you're sorted once you land up here. You're just sorted with everything. Yeah, so we're rushing. Bye. Thank you for watching.